Here we have a Volkswagen Polo MK6 SE 1 litre TSI 95 PS hatchback. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include automatic LED headlights, hill hold control, hydraulic brake assist and an anti-lock braking system. It also comes with 15-inch alloy wheels, as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes DAB digital radio, wireless app connect and a composition media system with USB. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop in to Western Volkswagen News.